So today I'm going to answer a very most asked question in the field of digital marketing and PPC is that when I'm going to get start seeing the results on Google Ads. I know this maybe sounds crazy, but you may be interested to know when my campaign is going to be get profitable, or when I'm going to get my good ROI, or when I can get start getting leads, or when I can start seeing some results on Google Ads. So in this video I'm going to answer step by step on when you should start seeing results. Now the answer may definitely surprise you because it varies from answer. You may have seen that you may sometimes see someone getting results on, let's say, first week or first month, and you may be like, oh, that man got result on the first week or first month, why I'm not able to get it? So you may be surprised, and you may see some people taking months and months to get results. Now the answer definitely surprises you because first of all, we need to understand one thing. When you're running with Google Ads, every client has a different situation, and every client has a different aura, niche, market, scenario, price vector, so many things to look, CDR, quality score. So you cannot say it for one thing. So there is not a hard and fast rule that you are going to get approved in 10 days. So you can't set it. So it takes optimization, different things. However, I'm going to tell you general formula of what I think should be a working formula for anyone trying to run their ads on Google. There are a few things which I'm going to make the font bigger so everyone can read it. So there are a few things which I'm suggesting people is, first of all, you need to have a highly optimized ad. When people say that what is a highly optimized ad, I'm going to show you in front of you. I'm going to use an ad preview tool to show you how the ads works like. Now this is an ordinary ad on the Google Ads. You may have seen this ad around. You may see like, oh, this is a normal ad. But when you add different assets, you can see that how great your ad has become. So you can see over here that the ad works with authenticity when you add ad assets. So you need to have ad assets. Okay. Now the second thing which people take it lightly, and that is copywriting. So copywriting actually plays a role. So the people who say that the copywriting doesn't play a role, no, they are wrong. Copywriting actually plays a role. So need to understand that your copywriting should be very, very good. So work on your copywriting. Copywriting is an important thing. The word plays with the human mind, so work on it. Apart from this, work on conversion tracking. Okay. After auditing dozens and hundreds of accounts, I have seen that this is one of the most common error people get, and they are lacking conversion tracking. Why? I'm not sure why, but they are lacking conversion tracking. So your whole marketing strategy is going to be failed if you are not doing conversion tracking. So this is one of the important thing. Now I have a dedicated video on my YouTube channel for how you can set through the Google Tag Manager for conversion tracking through Google Ads or through the Google Analytics. It's up to you. But you can use either of them one, but please use it. Apart from this, I recommend people to use analytics. Now, analytics combined with conversion tracking is going to work like a charm. So if you're not doing it, you are wasting money. Apart from this, we also recommend doing fraud click prevention. Okay. There are multiple tools available. You can use any of them to get fraud click prevention done on your website. If you hire me and my team, we can set it automatically for you guys as well. But I'm going to tell you that 15 to 20% of your competitors are actually wasting your money through by clicking on your ads necessarily or unnecessarily. Even sometimes, even the customer do not know, the potential customer do not know, and they just randomly click. So we have to figure out and we have to get those sorted. And after this, the last part is looking for your high intent based keywords. Okay. Now what I'm saying is high intent based keywords is it's basically need to figure out the buying keywords, shopping keywords. Not every keyword, relevant keyword, is a targeted keyword. So look around for those keywords which have the intent of buying. Understand how the consumer is searching for for example, when I'm trying to search restaurants in New York, it doesn't necessarily mean that I want to go to the restaurant. However, when I'm trying to search restaurant near me or pizza restaurant in New York, understand, every keyword has, no, I'm writing those keywords. However, I'm just trying to tell you that understand, what consumer is thinking when he or she is searching a particular query. After this, the last, also I wanted this to be the last part, but the last test part is, looking for your competitors, what they are doing. So look around for your competitors, what they are doing. See what the competitors are doing on. This can tell a lot. So having a strong eye on the competitors, what they're bidding, their ads, their offer, going to tell you. And the last is the lastest part is the bidding plus looking for your um, right time. So I'm going to close it over here. No more things. Look for your bidding strategy. The best bidding strategy, if people ask me, is number one is to run maximize clicks and then shift to maximize conversions. This is going to be very good strategy for someone running a Google Ads campaign, and then looking for the right time. Not every time is the right time, and this is one of the most crucial mistake people have done it. So this is another, this is not the only crucial, but this is another mistake, which we have so far observed. So make sure to look for that as well, and focus for the right time. Shoot the right ad at the right time to the right people, and they can, and you can make money. And this is not the point, but I'm just writing it just to close it, that consistency plays a lot. So you have to be consistent and keep on trying as a marketer. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and see what your competitors are doing. So this is one of the few things, which I can tell you how you can start getting results on Google Ads. So again, in case if you need our help, just to let you know that me and my team is running a Google partner company, and if you need our services, you can hire us with the link in the description, and we look forward to it. So once again, thank you for watching. Take care, and lastly, do subscribe to our channel as well. Take care. Bye bye.